Question number 1. Which state is in India is known as the fruit bowl of India? The right answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 2. Which Indian state is the largest producer of sugarcane? The right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 3. Which city is known as the city of pears? The right answer is option B, Hyderabad. Question number 4. What is the capital city of Jharkhand? The right answer is option A, Ranchi. Question number 5. Which Indian state is known as the land of high passes? The right answer is option D, Ladakh. Question number 6. Which river is known as the Dakshina Ganga of South? The right answer is option B, Godavari. Question number 7. Which city is famous for its chikankari embroidery? The right answer is option A, Lucknow. Question number 8. Which Indian state is known as for its Kathakali dance form? The right answer is option B, Kerala. Question number 9. Which city is known as the Silk City of India? The right answer is option C, Bhagalpur. Question number 10. What is the capital city of Chhattisgarh? The right answer is option A, Raipur. Question number 11. The largest union territory of India is? The right answer is option C, Andaman and Nicobar. Question number 12. Where is Kolleru Lake is located? The right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 13. The first coal mine in India is? The right answer is option C, Raniganj. Question number 14. The largest producer of cotton in India is? The right answer is option B, Gujarat. Question number 15. Who designed the national flag of India? The right answer is option C, Pingali Venkaya Garu.